as you can see here, this is all crud and everything here on the end. These spark plugs are burning oil quite excessively. This cylinder wasn't too bad. This cylinder was pretty bad. This one could have been a little worse, but it's not too bad. Somebody dropped it and it's all the way bent down touching the thing. But anyway, you want to replace your spark plugs every so often. Sometimes you want to just check and pull one out because you never know. I think this one was bad and it only been in there for a few thousand miles. So it's got oil consumption problems and it needed to be fixed. But anyway, yeah, so make sure you get your spark plugs checked at least every, 30,000-40,000 miles. Pull one out and see what it looks like because you never know. This right here caused a big time misfire, and I'm sure this engine and this particular one was not running very well.